Hey, happy August. Karen here, your ever dedicated Chief Fermentation Officer at Kraut. I know that many of you want to move beyond making plain sauerkraut, but you might be a little lazy or you just don't want to bother with getting all those different spices to make kimchi or pickles. Well, I did the hard work for you and I've custom blended these signature spices so that you can make a quart of kimchi or pickles or golden sauerkraut easily. We're even doing a special. When you purchase a single crowdsourced top, I will send you these spices free of charge. So check out the details and get spicy for the summer. Okay, our signature spice blends include golden sauerkraut, which features this beautiful organic turmeric, which is really great for calming inflammation in the body. Next up, we have 5-star kimchi, which has gochugaru, that unique Korean chili pepper that you need to make authentic kimchi. Plus, I've also added my secret blend of spices that will give your kimchi that coveted umami flavor without fish sauce. And last but not least, Perfect Pickles, which has an organic pickling spice blend and organic dragonwell tea leaves, which will keep your pickles perky and crunchy. So there we have it, our signature spice blends. They all come with their own recipe cards, so you can follow step by step. Each blend is perfect to make 1 quart, and we put the spices in these craft paper bags so they are recyclable. And then we put the recipe cards and the spice blends in this cute little cotton drawstring bag that you can reuse over and over.